Hi there. So it's been a little while because the weather's been terrible, but now this bike is up and running, I need to do a bit of a service on it. I need to do the valve adjustment, then change the oil, do a throttle body sync, change the spark plugs, oil filter, air filter, gearbox drive oil, and final drive oil. Now, I'd love to do that all right now, but unfortunately the weather's been terrible. So I'm doing it bit by bit as and when I can, and I've got a half an hour lunch break, so I'm just quickly going to do the final drive. Now, for this, in theory, all I need is my 19mm socket to go underneath, to take the drain plug out, and a hex 6, I think that's what it says, to take out the fill socket. And for that, I have got the kit from Motorworks, which came with the 2 washers that gets replaced and the gearbox oil. Now it only requires 250mm, so this will do me for quite a while. It's actually the same oil that goes in the gearbox, so I'll be interested to see how much the gearbox takes, but the final drive takes about 250. So I'm going to drain it into this little tub here. So basically it should be just quick unbolt, unbolt, drain, bolt, fill, bolt, walk away. Alright, first of all, let's see if we can get this fill plug off. Oh, this is supposed to be talked to 23 Newton meters, but oh, that is hugely hard work. Right, so now that knows that's going to come out. And before I forget, let's put the new washer straight on there. Right, it's tight. Let's see if we can get this. That one is actually a lot easier to take off. So the drain, again, is 23mm, and that one came off really easily. And for the first time in weeks, the sun's come out. That looks horrible. Drain plug third. I wonder if it's slightly magnetic, because there's nothing on the end. Interesting. Got it clean with a cloth. And put my new one on so I don't forget. Alright, that's pretty much just coming out as drips. Let's give that a fill. Set the torque wrench to 23 Newton meters. That's what the manual says. I want to say manual, my Haynes manual. I feel like this top fills. Makes life much easier. It's a nice spat they send. As I understand it, I keep filling till it's about to come out. Yep, so it looks like we've used just about 25mm. So again, and that goes. Roughly done up. Again, this one's supposed to be 23 Newton meters. minutes. There we go. Right, so that's the entire job done, all filled out, old ones drained out. This just now has to be poured away and disposed of carefully, but really simple task and the start of the maintenance on this bike. So now I can really start enjoying it and then deciding what I'm going to do with it. Right, thanks very much, and hopefully I'll see you again soon when I get another few minutes to do some of the other fluid changes. Right, cheers.